Have you got a friend who is always pranking you? It's no fun to always be on the receiving end of jokes, but we have got some ways for you to get back at her. Now, on to funny pranks. Sandwich. How can I trick my friend with food? Let me just take a bite of this cheese. Ew. This is perfect. Grab all of your sandwich favorites. First add lettuce, then ham. Here comes the important part. See this wrapper on the cheese? Don't take it off. Write your friend a cute little note. Finish off the sandwich with lettuce and bread. Wrap it up and make it look cute. Give it to your friend. Bet she's super hungry. She'll instantly taste that something is wrong. When she pulls the cheese out, she'll see your note. Gotcha! Powder. What do you get when you mix eyeshadow with powder? A hilarious prank! Get some powder on your makeup pad and then swipe it over the eyeshadow. Make sure to get it good and blue. Now put the pad back into the powder pack. Your friend goes to put on her makeup. Lucky for you, she does it without a mirror. Get it all over, girl! Oh, she noticed the blue on her powder. It's all over her. That's gonna take a while to get off. Juice. Hot sauce and juice, what a perfect pranking pair. Open up one of the flaps of the juice. Take a syringe and get out some of that spicy sauce. Poke the box and squirt the sauce into the juice. Use white tape to stick the flap down over the hole. Shake it up. Give it to your friend for a refreshing drink. She takes a big gulp. Oh, is it hot? I don't know what could be wrong with the drink. Mwahahaha. Felt pens. Does your friend love to write cute notes in her notebook with markers or felt pens? Wait until she finishes writing and walks away. Grab the markers and some clear nail polish. Open the markers and paint the tips of the markers with polish. Get it all over all of the markers and put the caps back on so no one knows what happened. Oh, she's back. Let's see her try to write. Oh no, none of the markers work. I wonder what happened. Oh yeah, we pranked her. Drink. I think my friend is thirsty. Maybe we should get her a drink. Heat up the tip of the needle and use it to poke little holes around the top of the bottle. Wipe off the area. Only someone who looks very closely will be able to see the holes. Your friend is really thirsty. She thanks you for getting her a drink. She goes to take a sip and the Coke spills all over. Hope she brought some napkins because it's really going everywhere. Salty chocolate. Do you know what goes horribly with the Snickers bar? Soy sauce. What if we poured it all over the candy? Flip the candy bar over. See this little area under the flap? We are going to focus there. Use a syringe to suck up some of the soy sauce. Poke a hole under the flap of the bar and start injecting soy sauce. Make sure to put it all around the flap. Wipe off the extra sauce. Looks good as new. Oh look, your friend is ready for a snack. She opens the candy and bites into it. She's immediately disgusted. She can't figure out what you did to the candy, but she knows it was you who messed with her treat. Wait, does it actually taste kinda good? Nope, she throws it out. Chocobonds. I've got some chocolate bonbons here. What can I do with these? Grapes. Perfect. Melt the chocolate and stir it up. Put the grapes on a stick and cover them in chocolate. Let them dry. Remove the cover from some real bonbons. Might as well eat one. Use the wrappers to cover your chocolate grapes. Perfect fit. Put them all in a candy dish. She won't be able to tell the difference. Your friend is so happy that you gave her some candy. She opens it and pops it in her mouth. Something is wrong. It tastes kind of good though, but what is it? Oh, it's a grape. Luckily, she thinks you're really funny and the grapes taste good anyway. She may start eating them like that regularly. Spicy straw. 1 drink, 2 drinks, cheers. I'm going to take a sip. Yum! And now the second one. Not so fast. This one isn't what it seems. Could there be hot sauce in the straw? Take some hot sauce and pour it in one of the straws. Add the other drinks back. Your friend is having a good time dancing at the party until she takes a sip of her drink. She smells it to see what's wrong. It's so nasty. She looks around for you, but you are nowhere to be found. Oh well. Expensive present. Tiffany & Co. presents are better with cotton swabs. Take a Tiffany & Co. box or other expensive box and fill it with cotton swabs. Write your friend a note that says it's just for her. She's so excited, she thinks you spent a lot of money on her. So she goes to open it. She can't believe it's just Q-tips. Oh, but she's got a trick up her sleeve. Expensive present revenge. She has cleared out everything that you did and made a gift tag to let you know her gift is for you. It's all wrapped up. I wonder what it is. You come in and it looks like there's a pan under the wrapping paper. You slowly unwrap it and there's an iPhone 6 box in there? Oh my gosh, yes! You've always wanted one of these. You open it and it's just a lipstick. Oh, don't drop the lipstick. Man, I guess this is what you deserve. It's a cute color though, put it on. Looks good. That's it for funny pranks. Which ones are you going to try? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and until next time.